Now we will discuss about primary key and foreign key. Sorry, I forgot to discuss about advantages of normalization, right? So after doing this normalization, so we can come to know this point, reduces data redundancy. So data redundancy, data repeatance that is not there. So you can observe this. See, this is earlier mobile numbers are comma separated, and we have moved that mobile numbers into separate tables. Okay, all those things we have done. So data redundancy will not be there, easy to maintain. So finally we got three tables like this one. Oh, see, employee table, only employee details will be there, and department number, department details, we have moved to department table, and contact numbers, comma separated contact numbers, we have moved to another table. Employee contact numbers, we can say that employee contacts. Okay, so easy to maintain and update the data, improves data integrity and consistency, saves some storage. So I think in middle of the second normalization, or I think in first normalization, we have 42 records. Okay, so that consumes disk space unnecessarily. Employee number related record will be repeated for multiple times. Okay, so that thing we have removed. So disadvantages, more complex queries. So if we have take this table, I can have all the employee related data in one table. Okay, so if you do normalization, I have three different tables. Okay, so if I want to fetch the employee related data at a time, then I need to use joins concept, so that sometimes it will take time. That means fetching the all employee related data at a time, then if you have more number of records, lack of records, then it will take some time. So that can affect performance. Okay, so while designing the table itself, if you have to understand the requirement and the feature scope of the project thoroughly, then only you start the design the table. Okay, otherwise in the middle of the project the performance may be degraded. Okay, so table design and database design, that plays crucial role in a project. Okay, once that database design concept is completed with 100% or 90% accuracy, then that performance will be improved, and you will no need to think about the performance. Okay, automatically it will be good. And coming to this primary key and foreign key. Okay, so primary key means unique key plus not null values. And if you create the primary key, then index will be automatically created. That is primary key. So simply say that unique key plus not null. That is primary key. And foreign key, it references primary key of another table, and it accepts null value, duplicate values. Okay, and foreign key referential actions. So some points are there. These are the actions. So first we will discuss about primary key and foreign key with examples. Then we will discuss about different types of actions we can perform on primary key and foreign key table. Taking primary key table like department, DEPT number, D name, location. Okay. Employee table, employee number, E name, salary, DEPT number. So here DEPT number is the primary key. So this is primary key table. We call it as parent table. Foreign key table, child table, okay, and primary key DEPT number, foreign key DEPT number. Okay. So creating the tables, department, columns, DEPT number, small int, D name, char varying, location, char varying, and this is primary key, save. And creating one more table, employee, columns, employee number, and this one, small int, employee name, char var, and salary, numeric, DEPT number, small int. Okay, and here I have to represent the relationship between these two tables. Foreign key, add this one, and here name, foreign key, primary key, DEPT number, and take this department number, references, which table? Department table, and here department number. Okay, click on add and save. Now relationship is established. Okay, now I am writing insert query. Employee table I am writing. So EMP number, E name, salary, DPT number. Okay, values, employee number, that is 1, E name, A, and employee salary 3000 and department number 10. I'm going to execute. See, observe this error. Insert or update on employee table violates foreign key constraint. That means department number 10 is not present in department table. Okay, so it is saying that whatever you are inserting department number, that is not available in department table. That means if you represent the relationship between primary key and foreign key table, okay, then if you represent the relationship between parent table and child table, while inserting the data into the child table, the primary key, foreign key column, whatever it is there, that value should be present in parent table. So here you are trying to insert this record. So, but that record, department number 10, it is not available in parent table. Okay, it is throwing exception. So I am inserting department number 10 in department table. So department number, the name, location, values, and here 10 comma department D1, here Hyderabad. I am going to insert, so it is inserting. We will check select star from department and employee. Now department number 10 is available. Now I am going to insert one record into employee table. So it is inserted. See, now it is inserted. If you're trying to insert 20, then again, same kind of exception. So right here 20 and employee number give 2 and employee name B. Okay, and here department name 2 and here Bangalore. See, if you're trying to insert into employee table, it is accepted. Okay, see. Okay, so like that, this is main point. Whenever you are trying to insert the data into a child table, that primary key, foreign key related column value that should be present in parent table. Otherwise, it will not allow to insert into child table. So 3, employee number 3, C, 20, employee number 4, D, 10. Okay, now check the data available in employee. Okay, these 10, 20 departments are available in department table. Okay, now we will check these actions. Okay, see, restrict, no action. That means restrict and no action. These types are same. Okay, that means prevents delete update if child exists. Okay, this point we will discuss with example. Suppose I am deleting data from department where department number equal to 10. See, it will throw exception. What kind of exception? Update or delete on table violates foreign key constraint on a table employee. That means it is saying that Department number 10 related records are available in employee table. So you can't delete the department number 10 data from a department table. Okay. For our understanding purpose, I am creating one more department in department table. Okay. See, but I am not inserting the department number related data in employee table. See, department number 30 records are not available in department number 30 related employees are not available in employee table. Okay. But department number 30 is available in department. So when I am trying to delete department number 30 from department table, it is deleted. Why? Because that 30 related employees are not available in employee table. That's why. Okay. So that is about restrict, no action. Both are same. Okay. You can observe here employee properties, constraint, foreign key, edit, column, action. See, action, no action. Okay, no action. Okay, by default, no action will be there. And here, some drop down will be there. Okay, so if the drop down, in the drop down, you can able to find remaining actions. Okay, so how to see the drop down means you can't see now. So I am deleting this, save. Again, I am going to create foreign key. See here, no action, restrict, cascade, set null, set default. Okay. If you select no action, no action will be default. If you select restrict means now only we have discussed. It will prevent delete update if that related record exists in child table. Okay. Now cascade. Cascade means if you select cascade here and here, what will happen means whenever you are trying to delete particular record from parent table, that record related, related records in child table will be automatically deleted. We will discuss with example. So here I am representing primary key, foreign key relationship. So department table, department number, and department table, department. Okay. Action means cascade. Add, save. Okay. Now we will check. So in department table, we have two records, 10, 20, and employee table, we have four records, two for 20 department and two for 10 department number. Okay. So if I delete 20 department number from department table or update, for example, see, first I will update. I will try update with update query. If you delete means then we don't have option for checking the update query. Okay. So department. I am going to change that department number 20 to 30. Set department number equal to 30, where department number equal to 20. Okay. Simply, I am changing the department number 20 into 30. Okay. And remember that this employee table is not having 30 records. Okay. See, updated and check in employee table. See, that 20 record, department number 20 is changed in department table here 20 to 30, and here employee table also 20 to 30. Okay. So this is cascade update. Okay. Delete means if you delete that 30 record from department table, automatically it will delete it from employee table also. See, 30 record has been deleted from department table, and 30 related records also has been deleted from employee table. Okay, that is cascade delete and cascade update. Okay, and set null. Set null means set the foreign key in the child table to null when parent row is deleted or updated. Okay, for that, again, go to the employee table, properties, go to the constraint, and foreign key, edit option. So action, it is cascade. So it is not possible to change. So I am deleting and take again fk underscore pk underscore department number and columns, department number, department table, department number. Okay, and action set null. Okay, on update, on delete, and go to here and add and save. Okay, so for checking purpose, we need to have some records. Okay, so 30, and here 30 record. What are the employees are there? AD. Okay, so D is there, B is not there. So 2, and 3, here 4, and here C, here 4,000. Okay, so I'm going to insert department number 30 related records in employee table. So 30 is there, and 30 related records are there. Okay, so here if I trying to delete some record from parent table, then it will be treated as null in child table. Okay, and same for update also. Okay, so here 10 and 20, 30 records are there. So I'm going to change 30 into 40. Okay, so observe here employee table 30 is available. Okay, so I am changing department number 30 into department number 40 in department table, and check in department table 30 is converted into 40. Now employee table, see 30 related records are make it as null. Okay, it is changed into null value. That is update, sorry, update null. I mean, see, set null for update. Okay, and 10 records are available in employee table. Okay, if I am trying to delete 10th record, department number 10 from department table, then what will happen? In employee table, 10 related department, this 10 value will be null. Okay, so we will check 10. I am trying to delete from department where department number equal to 10. Okay, so you can observe this department number 10 record is removed, and you can observe employee table. See, department number 10 is changed into null. Okay, So this is set null for delete. Okay. Next, set default. Set default means sets the foreign key in the child table to a default value. Okay. That means whenever we are trying to delete the record from department table, if you mention in foreign table for a particular foreign key column as default value, that will be allocated at the deletion or updation time. Okay. So I will discuss with the example. So for this, go to the design, employee, and constraint, and remove this constraint, add foreign key, primary key, DEPT number, and columns, department number, department table, department number. Okay, so here set default, and add. So here you can observe that local column. Here, whenever this type of relationship you want to represent, go to the foreign key table, I mean child table, and create foreign key, and local column, select that column. Okay. And references means primary table, select. Referencing means in that primary table, which column you want to give reference. Okay. When set default, and see local column, that means in employee table, which column we can consider as foreign key, and department, add, and set default is there. Okay, save it and go to the query window. Better to delete this all records, otherwise we'll get confusion. The same thing, delete all records. Okay, and one more thing, we have to give some default value in foreign key table. Okay, so here I am giving 50 default value. Okay, go to the query window and insert 10, department number 1, Hyderabad. Department number 2, Bangalore. 2 records I am inserting in department table. Okay, and now employee number 1, sorry, 1 A 1000 1020, right? Okay, 10th department number 2 B 2000. This is also 10, and 3 C, this is 20, and this is also 20. 4 D. Okay, 1 2 3 4 employee numbers, A B C D are employee names, salary, different salaries, and department numbers. 2 records for department number 10, 2 records for department number 20. Okay. Before that, check that employee table. Okay, nothing will be there. Insert it and check it. Okay, and in foreign key table, I mean in employee table, for department number 10, department number, I have clearly mentioned that default value is 50. Okay, if I update department number in department table. I mean, I'm taking 10 and here I want to change department number 10 into 40 in department table. Then insert or update always primary key foreign key. Why I have clearly mentioned foreign key edit action set default. Set the foreign key in the child table to a default value must be defined. What happened here? Present. Insert or update on table employee violates foreign key constraint, foreign key department number. Okay. So this 50 that should be present in department. Sorry. No need to have default constraint here. Wait a minute. Got it. So here, see, here in this employee table, I have clearly mentioned that 50 is the default value. Okay. So that default value also should be present in department table. That thing I forgot to give. Bangalore, Mumbai, and D3, 50. See, and one more time, please check this. 10, 20, 50 are available. In employee, only 10, 20 are available. I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to change that department number 10 into 40. Okay. See. Okay. Now check this department table. 10 is converted into 40. Okay. And check this employee table. The 10 related records are having department number 50 instead of 10. Okay. So earlier I didn't insert this 50 related record into department table. That's why that is throwing exception. Okay. And now I'm deleting, I want to delete 20 department number from department table. Okay. Now see what will happen. Here 20 department number is not available. Okay. Now employee table 20 department number is changed into 50 department number. Okay. So these are the different types of actions. So based upon the requirement, we can give such kind of action: cascade, restrict, set null, set default. Okay. So generally, people are using no action. That means restrict. Both are same. Okay. So restrict. If you don't give anything, then it will give. It will assume like no action. That is equivalent to restrict. That's it. Okay. So people will prefer this restrict. Okay. So restrict means whenever we are trying to delete the data from primary table, suppose that related data is available in child, so it will not allow to delete it. Okay. But in reverse, we can delete the data from foreign key table also. Okay. It will not affect any problem. Okay. So that is about primary key and foreign key tables.